There are many reference electrodes. Reference electrode has the known potential. She standard hydrogen electrode, silver electrode, Coulomb electrode SCE, normalized hydrogen electrode. These are all reference electrodes and have the known potential. First of all, we discuss the silver electrode, AgCl electrode or silver electrode. It is a secondary electrode. It has the known potential. Construction: it consists of a glass tube which has Ag wire coated with the AgCl paste which is dipped in aqueous solution of AgCl. This is the diagram. This is a diagram. You are observing that this is the Ag wire. Now this is coated with the AgCl paste. It is dipped in the AgCl solution. Saturated solution of AgCl plus KCl. This is the porous plug. It maintains the equilibrium. This is the porous plug, or it is called a salt bridge. It allows the ions to pass through. This is whole glass tube. This porous plug acts as the salt bridge. This is a solid AgCl plus KCl. This is dipped in. This beaker contains the analyte solution. This electrode is dipped in the analyte solution. This is the analyte solution. This is the silver electrode. This is the analyte solution. It is the indicator electrode. This is indicator electrode. Indicator electrode. This voltmeter shows the potential developed. KCl and AgCl, silver electrode. It consists of a glass tube which has Ag wire coated with the AgCl paste which is dipped in aqueous solution of AgCl and KCl. There is a porous plug which acts as a salt bridge. Solid AgCl and KCl is placed at the bottom in the glass tube. So electrolytic solutions, electrode reactions are: Ag is oxidized and gives the electrons. Then Ag combines with the Cl and gives the AgCl plus electrons. When reaction occurs, then Ag is oxidized, electrons are released, move in the external circuit and produce the potential Ag and Cl ions which are provided by the KCl solution, aqueous solution of KCl. This is the electrode. This is the electrode reaction. Ag plus ion plus electrons, Ag plus Cl negative ion, AgCl, दोनों सेम रिएक्शन है. Basically Ag is oxidized and Cl negative ion which provide AgCl is silver is precipitated in the form of AgCl. This is the solid insoluble in water. This figure shows the electrochemical cell, whole electrochemical cell, in which a beaker contains the analyte. This is the indicator electrode. This is the silver. It has non-potential. It is called the reference electrode, like She. This is the voltmeter, which reads the potential developed when analyte has zero potential. So this needle reads only the silver electrode potential. When Cl negative ions is unity, means 1 mole per cubic decimeter or 1 mole per kg, because 1 liter of H2O is equal to 1 kg. So then electrode potential is 0.22 volts. Since standard electrode potential of silver is 0.22 volts, since electrode potential from the Nernst equation we have already studied. Nernst equation is electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential minus RT over NF natural log of Kc. E is equal to standard electrode potential minus RT over NF natural log of analyte ion solution like iron and ferrous and ferric ion solution. This is dipped. So then since concentration of Cl remains constant, so in saturated solution of KCl, Cl negative ion is unity, so then this will become equal to electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential minus RT over NF, F positive ions, ferrous ions over ferric ions concentration. This is the quotient. Actually, electrode potential depends upon the analyte concentration. In this above equation, only variable factor is iron ion concentrations, the quotient. Therefore, overall cell voltage will change when concentration of analyte will change. So this is the reference electrode, silver electrode. Cl negative ion is close to unity. So electrode potential of silver is 0.176 volts when silver ion concentration is unity. Electrode potential of silver is 0.176 volts. Cell potential is indicator electrode potential minus reference electrode potential. So cell potential is, since silver electrode potential is 0.22 volts, so therefore overall cell potential will become indicator electrode potential minus 0.22 volts. Applications of silver electrode. Silver electrode is used as internal reference electrode in pH meter. Silver electrode is used as redox electrode. It is made up of electrons conducting material like metals. It has high chemical stability. High chemical stability means thermodynamic stability. The system is at the lowest energy state system is in equilibrium, chemical equilibrium with its environment. So reference electrode is internal, inert towards the environment. This is good reference electrode. It does not react with the analyte solution. It is used to determine the redox potential of a species in solution. Therefore, it is used to investigate the kinetics of interfacial processes, reactions. It is used as can be used at the elevated temperature as 300 degrees centigrade. It is good specialty. Standard electrode potential of silver electrode is function of temperature. At different temperatures, it had different electrode potential. We have already discussed. This is the limitations of the silver electrode. It is not cannot be used such solutions which have halides and sulfide ions. This will precipitate or react with the silver. This clogs the junction or the salt bridge. अगर इसमें सल्फाइड या क्लोराइड आयंस हों, हेलाइड आयंस हों, तो वो इस साल्ट ब्रिज को क्लॉग कर देते हैं. दिस विल क्लॉग द साल्ट ब्रिज. तो ये फिर जो एनालाइट सोल्यूशन है उसके साथ इसका इंटरेक्शन ख़त्म हो जाएगा. ये फ्लो नहीं कर सकेंगे आयंस और ये इंडिकेट नहीं करेगा पोटेंशियल को. बेसिकली ये इंडिकेटर इलेक्ट्रोड और ये रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड के दरमियान ये साल्ट ब्रिज है. ये जो पोरस प्लेट आपको नज़र आ रही है, पोरस प्लग आपको नज़र आ रहा है. तो सिल्वर इलेक्ट्रोड डिपेंड करता है टेम्परेचर के ऊपर. 25 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के ऊपर इसकी वैल्यू है 0.22 वोल्ट्स, जबकि 60 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के ऊपर इसकी 0.1968 है. 125 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के ऊपर इसकी वैल्यू है 0.1138 और 150 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पर 0.1032 है और 225 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड पे 0.0051 वोल्ट्स है. This is the silver electrode. It is used as the reference electrode. Now we come to the Coulomb electrodes. Coulomb electrodes. This is the Coulomb electrode. It is made up of glass tube which has paste of mercury and mercuric chloride Hg2Cl2. Coulomb. It is called Coulomb. Mercury and mercuric chloride salt is called Coulomb. And also liquid mercury. It has also saturated solution of KCl and Hg2Cl2. There is asbestos wick or porous plug which acts as the salt bridge. Solid KCl is placed at the bottom in the glass tube. This is a diagram you are understanding. This is a glass tube. This is wire of made up of mercury, Hg or Hg2 and Hg2Cl2 paste. This wire. This is glass wool. This is wool of the glass made up of glass. This is a platinum wire outside the Coulomb. This is the platinum wire which touch the Hg2Cl2 paste. This is the platinum wire which then join the potentiometer or the voltmeter. This hole is a glass tube. This is a glass tube. It is enclosed in the glass tube like the silver electrode. This is a glass tube. This is aqueous solution of Hg2Cl2. and KCl. This internal glass tube or glass wool is dipped in the solution, aqueous solution of Hg2Cl2 and KCl. This is the Hg2Cl2 and KCl solution. This is the bottom. It has solid Hg2Cl2 and KCl. This is solid. This is the solution of aqueous solution of Hg2Cl2 and KCl. This is solid KCl. This is a salt bridge at the bottom. It is asbestos wick. It is made up of asbestos plate, thin sheet, or it is called the porous plug. This whole column or columnar electrode is dipped in the, this is the analyte solution. This is the whole, this beaker shows the analyte solution. This is the, in beaker is the analyte solution. This is reference electrode and it is non-potential columnar electrode, or this is the indicator electrode. This is the potentiometer. This will read the, this is potentiometer. This will read the potential. Now cell reactions, electrode reactions are Hg2 plus 2 electrons, Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electrons, 2Hg plus 2Cl electrons. Electrode potential is 0.268 volts. Since from the Nernst equation, electrode potential is standard electrode potential minus RT over NF, natural log of Kc of equilibrium. E is equal to, electrode potential is equal to standard electrode potential epsilon naught minus RT over NF, 2.303 log of KCl, Cl negative ion. Cl is the concentration of, it shows the equilibrium. Kc is the concentration of product over concentration of reactant. Cl negative ions are the concentration of products. E is equal to epsilon naught minus 0.05916 over 2 moles. 2 electrons are involved. Reduction involves the 2 electrons and oxidation also involves the Hg2Cl2 plus 2 electrons. This will give the 2Hg plus Cl negative ions. 2 moles of electrons are involved. This is F. F means Faraday. When we divide the 96500 RT, this will give the, T is the temperature, 25 degrees centigrade, 298 Kelvin, 0.0281 is R. It is divided on 96 and 500. This will give the 0.05916. This will be divided by 2 log of Cl negative ion concentration. Potential of chemical of columnar electrode depends upon the concentration of Cl negative ions or the concentration of KCl solution. It is determined by the combining the columnar electrode with the She. Applications of columnar electrode, it can be used as the internal reference electrode. इसको आप reference electrode के तौर पे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Electrode as a reference electrode in pH meter for the pH measurement. It can be used as a reference electrode in potentiometry. Potentiometry में आप इसे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. इसके बाद है व्हाट इज द इंडिकेटर इलेक्ट्रोड. इंडिकेटर इलेक्ट्रोड किसी भी मेटल का हो सकता है. Metallic indicator electrode, these are of 4 types. First kind electrode, these are solid metal strips, metal wires or mesh which gives a response to its own ions in the solution and measure the and directly measures them. For example, copper ion solution, copper dipped in copper ion solution, mercury dipped in mercury ion solution, silver dipped in silver ion solutions, maybe silver ion dipped in silver ion solution, copper, copper wire, copper dipped in copper ion solution, mercury dipped in mercury ion solution, palladium dipped in palladium ion solution. This may be any metal. Second kind electrode, this is the indicator electrode. These electrode consist of a metal coated with the one of its sparingly soluble salt or immersed in the saturated solution of its sparingly soluble salt. These give response to the anions of sparingly soluble salts. For example, silver coated with the AgCl, copper coated with the copper sulfate solution. So silver coated with AgCl gives response to the activity of Cl negative ions. Similarly, third kind electrode. This is the measurement of silver electrode again. This is the equation mathematicus of silver electrode. Silver wire is coated with the AgCl, Ag plus electrons, Ag plus Cl negative ions. Electrode potential of silver is 0.022 volts at 25 degrees centigrade. From the Nernst equation, electrode potential is standard electrode potential minus RT over NF natural log of Kc. RT और F को डिवाइड करें तो ये आ जाता है 0.05916. इसमें चूंकि एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का मोल इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है रिएक्शन के अंदर, दिस इज 1 मोल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, तो 1 पे डिवाइड करें तो log ऑफ Cl नेगेटिव आयन, तो इलेक्ट्रोड पोटेंशियल आ जाएगा 0.22 minus 0.05916 log of या activity of Cl negative ion concentrations. When activity is unity, so this will become 0.167 at 25 degrees centigrade. Electrode potential of silver we have already calculated in the applications of Nernst equation. Third kind electrode, metal electrode which gives response to the cations other than of metal electrode is called third kind electrode, like silver electrode in solution containing the EDT ions and calcium ions gives a response to the activity of calcium ions. If there are competing ions, it gives response to the cations, not anions. It is used for the solution of complex materials, for example solution of EDTA, calcium complex. Fourth is metallic redox electrode. This is also indicator electrode. It is made up of platinum, palladium, iron, and other inert metals. It serves to measure the redox reaction for species in solution, for example iron, calcium, copper, etc. This is the third kind is, and we also use the membrane electrode. These are all indicator electrodes. We have studied Coulomb electrode, and we have studies reference electrodes or standard hydrogen electrode. Standard hydrogen electrode you have already studied in the FSC classes, therefore I'd not Basically, standard hydrogen electrode consists of a platinum hollow tube which is coated with the black platinum, powder black platinum. It is dipped in 1 molar solution of HCl and H2 gas is bubbled through it. Cell reactions are HCl plus 2 electrons, double arrow H2 plus Cl negative ions. This depends, it is arbitrarily taken as 0. Standard hydrogen electrode potential is taken as 0. Standard hydrogen electrode is potential set up when hydrogen electrode is dipped in 1 molar solution of its ions, 1 molar solution of HCl, then it is at 298 Kelvin, 1 atm pressure. It is called standard hydrogen electrode. So these three electrodes we have studied as the reference electrodes: standard hydrogen electrode, silver electrode, and Coulomb electrode. We have all studied detailed of these electrodes. Again, this is the pic of the silver electrode we have studied. This is the applications of silver electrode where it is used, and this is the Coulomb electrode, construction of Coulomb electrode with diagram, and these are the cell reactions in Coulomb electrode. Indicator electrodes, this is just a metal electrode. It is dipped in solution of its ion. जैसे copper है, copper अपने आयनों में. This is the first kind electrode. There are many indicator electrodes, many types of, but we do not concern with it. This is very detailed. So these are the metal strips which are dipped in the metal ions, metal wire or metal mesh, maybe mesh paste, which gives response to its own ions. This is the usually we use the first kind indicator electrode. So there is also, this is the second kind of indicator electrode, second kind indicator electrode. This is a third kind indicator electrode we have already studied, gives response to the cations. This is the metallic redox indicator electrode, and then we also use the membrane electrode as the indicator electrode. These are different types. And this is the membrane electrode. In this topic we have to study the, we have already studied what is the electrode potential and what is the standard electrode potential. So in this lecture we have studied what is the reference electrode. Reference electrode has the known potential like standard hydrogen electrode, you know, and indicator electrode has the in whose potential is to be measured. This indicator electrode is whose potential is to be measured. So we have studied detailed. ये अगेन मैं इसकी पिक बना के आपको भेज देता हूँ. कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो मैंने बता दिया आपको, फिर आप लोग पूछ लेना इसमें से. ये आप हक नवाज भट्टी की बुक से भी स्टडी कर सकते हैं, उसमें भी यही दिया हुआ है. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.